how to find and replace in Visual Studio. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you could use the feature Find and Replace. Now this specific feature is very useful, especially if you have a long line of code. For example, you have codes going up to 500 lines. So what you're going to do to be able to find a specific code or section is simply click on Ctrl plus F. Doing that, you will be able to see this pop up over here on the top right. And over here, simply type in the specific word or the specific section of your code that you want to find. So for example, for me, I would like to change the hello world, I guess, hello/user. And as you can see, it will highlight the location of that specific code. So if it's all the way down here, you will automatically be redirected to that. And if you want to change the specific text, utilizing the Find and Replace feature, simply click on this arrow beside the hello user or the text bar over here, and you can see here replace. So if I say, hi, my name is Cesar, click on enter, it will automatically change it just like this. As you can see, it's no longer hello user, it's now, hi, my name is Cesar. So that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.